Okay, so welcome to possibly our first video on looking after the car. So you with me, Sam?
And me, Luke.
So what we're going to do is we're going to try out a new product. It's not what I would normally use for cleaning cars, but we're going to give it a try. So it's this one. It's available from Whole Foods and probably other retailers. It's called Armour All, and it's a protectant spray for semi-matte surfaces. Please, 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 for all you detailers out there, don't get on my case. I'm not a professional. Just giving something a go. Yeah, it's not going to be perfect. You're probably going to cringe, but hey ho. The instructions say shake well before use, spray onto the product, and then give it a wipe, and kind of jobs are good in type thing. What we're actually going to do is, this is the first clean for Aussie.
This is the first clean for Aussie.
Yeah, so for the first internal clean, oh my gosh, what we're actually going to do is we're going to work in some of the products with this brush. Let's get some of the grime out, so we'll give it a go. So we've already shaken the bottle, thankfully. Just going to give a couple of sprays up here, and then we'll work down as we go. And we're just going to give this a really good really good rub, really. Get into all the nooks and crannies, and then what we will do after is we will go over with a microfiber cloth, and we will kind of wipe it down and clean it off after that. So hopefully this will come up nice. We might need to go over it a couple of times to get some of that kind of baked in grime and dirt off. But you can see this is lifting quite nicely. There is no method to this madness. This used to be a really big hobby of mine. Unfortunately, due to like work commitments and money, as it gets expensive, it doesn't everything. I kind of dropped off the radar for a long while, so it's been a good few years since I did sell the car. Now Luke's got inserts that you can see here for his cup holders. What we've actually done is taken those out so that we're able to get in. And what I'll probably do is lift the actual cup insert out and get right in. These lift out of the Discovery 3s. Take that out. But it's not too bad. Again, I would normally use awful white products. They're what I'm used to using on my daily runner. So I'll show you what we're going to do in here now. So literally spraying a little bit of product, working that product in with the brush. And just being able to lift that dirt out. And just keep going until you're happy with the result. Just really working that in, and then what we will do later is, if needs be, we can go over with a second coat. So if you've got any product recommendations, we've got viewers now. If you've got product recommendations, let us know, and we'll get some and give it a go and see what you're all raving about. That seems to have lifted most of the grime now. So yeah, really good job. What we'll do is we'll check in a bit when we're finished and let you see the finished results. So this is kind of what we're working with in terms of bits of dust and whatever else, especially in the parking brake bit here. This area is really dirty. Then you move up to the cup holders, and just under here we've taken all the trim out. It doesn't look too bad now, actually. I must admit, this is not my favourite product to use, but in terms of a quick job and things like that, it's not bad. I'm not keen on the texture it leaves after, but we'll get there. We'll keep going, and we'll get some more footage later when it's completely done and you can see the difference. So this is one of the car inserts. We're just going to spray the product directly on, and then we're going to get our brush. We're going to get right in there, circular motions, and start lifting all that dirt and grime. And then what we've been doing after is, you can see all that coming off now in the brush, wipe it with a microfiber. I'm just going to flick it in the foot well, and then I'm not flicking it, obviously. clean the bits that we've already cleaned. Sorry.
It's okay.
But yeah, then so we'll wipe it with the microfiber cloth afterwards just to get all the residue off and try it. And hopefully again, we're not doing a perfect job here, you know, we're not professionals. I'm not charging. We just want to see what it's like if you need to do a rush job. And for maintenance more than anything, you don't want to spend hours of your life. We all know how long it takes. There we go. Happy days. Could do with a smaller brush for that area, really. Too big. It's not come up bad. It's not come up bad at all. Right down into them creases. I definitely think the previous owner had a dog. Yeah, on the whole, not a bad job. What I would probably do at this point is I would probably get a toothpick in there just to clean those bits of dirt out, and possibly around the edges here. But we're not doing, like I say, we're not doing a full clean today. It's just to see how this product worked. So let us know what you think. This is how it tells you to use it. not the worst, it's not the best, but it's clean, especially down the sides now. So we've done a really quick clean, we've finished up now. So just to recap, we've used today Armour All Protectant just to clean the centre console area and just see what it's like really. So Luke, this is your car.
It is.
What do you think?
I like it. I really do. It's a good effort. I like we've shown a little 10 minutes and it's nice and clean.
Yeah, it's made a big difference, I think, actually.
I'd use it on the rest of the fleet.
Yeah. It was easy enough to use. The instructions were really easy to follow. Literally 1, 2, 3, and then step 4 was just maintenance. Keep on top of it. Keep it looking good. And literally all we've used today is the actual spray itself, trusty microfiber cloth, and then we used a brush just to get in. If I was doing this again, I would definitely use a smaller brush. Unfortunately, it's at home. So,
yeah, and it's not left any streaks. It's the cloth.
Yeah, once we've gone over with the brush and then wiped over with the cloth, it's actually streak free. It looks really good. I think on the rubber inserts for like the bit where your USB areas are, not keen on the feel of it on those, but actually on the instruments themselves, it looks really good.
Yeah, on the trim. Yeah. It comes up nice. No, thank you. It looks good.
You're very welcome. So, thanks for watching, and